Kanishka Ladha from class 8th. Today we have conducted class 6th, 7th, 8th for science workshop. So start.
What is this, beta?
Sir, this is a project for bird.
Why you made this?
Sir, I will make because I will save bird life.
Okay, very good. It means you have to put here water and food also for the birds. Okay? What is this, beta?
Sir, this is the bird's feeder.
How birds take water and foods?
Sir, like. Sir, this
It means it is permanent.
Yes, sir.
It is permanent. You will keep in one place.
Sir, like this.
Okay. Good.
What is this?
This is bird's feeder.
This is bird feeder. Who made is this?
Sir, ma'am.
Which? How made for?
Ma'am, there is a bird and it wheat, rice.
For a food for birds.
Yes, ma'am.
And there's drinking water. This place is sitting area.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This is
Variation size of a shadow.
some long variation of.
Variation of light of shadow.
Okay. Looking so pretty. Nice. What is this?
This is a bird feeder.
Bird feeder. Okay. Made by? Made with?
Cardboard.
Okay. Wastage material.
Yes.
Okay. And what is this?
Ma'am, this is bird's feeder.
Bird's feeder. Okay. And made by you? Okay. And what material is this?
Ma'am, pop sticks and carp.
Okay. That is also wastage material, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
It is also good. Which material you can use here?
Cardboard and waste material.
Okay, good. It is for birds. Yes. Water and food also.
Yes.
Okay, okay.
What is this?
This is eco-friendly bird feeder.
Why it is eco-friendly?
This is made from clay.
Okay, very good. This is also yours? What is this?
This is bird feeder.
You have made it from waste products.
Yes.
Very good. Yes, Yash. What is this?
This is bird feeder.
Why it is different from others?
This made by clay.
And it is eco-friendly also. Very good. Yes, Prayag. What is this? What you have made today?
This is a bird water feeder.
Can you show how it works?
Yes.
Show, please. Okay. The birds can come and drink water
Yes.
from here. Very good. You have also made bird feeder.
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice. Yes, girls.
This is a bird water feeder.
Show it works. Very good. Show Krishna. Okay, very good. You have also made bird feeder.
Yes.
Slab for a balance thing.
Okay, very good. Yes, Priyanshi. What is this?
Ma'am, this is stopwatch.
Stopwatch. Yes.
It is used in a activity
For noting the time.
Yes.
Very good. What is this?
This is one.
Very good. What is magnifier?
Magnifier, it is used in see small microorganisms.
Okay, very good. Yes, what is this?
Beaker and it is used in science.
Very good. Tell me something about telescope.
This is telescope. This is used in physics.
Very good.
Subscribe our channel Anshul Vidya Mandir Jobat. Thank you.